Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm breaking down how to create outline text in Affinity. So let's get into it. First off, you want to click on this icon. This is the frame text tool. From here, you can choose either artistic text tool or the normal one, which is a frame text tool. But today, let's go ahead and choose artistic text tool. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and create a text. Let me go ahead and type in something. All right. And then you want to look at the right side of the screen, this one. So first, you want to go to Appearance and you want to choose the color of the outline. So let's say, for example, let's change this to this color. Once you're done, go to Stroke tab, this one. Now, this is where you can outline your text. So we have different styles here. So this is the no line style, and then these are the other three styles. So let's go ahead and choose the second one or the first one here. Then for you to add the outline, just go ahead and drag this all the way to the left or all the way to the right. And basically, that's it. That's how you create clean outline text in Affinity in just a few steps. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!